Good morning, students. Today we see one more example, which is Prim's algorithm. In last lecture, we see the Kruskal's algorithm, and in today's lecture, we see the Prim's algorithm. Both the algorithms are for shortest path to find the shortest path from the graph. Okay, both the algorithm are used to find the shortest path from the graph. The steps for Prim's algorithms are: step number 1, remove all loops and parallel edges. First, we have to remove all the loops and parallel edges from the graph. All of you know loops and parallel edges. Step 2, choose any arbitrary node as root. As in a spanning tree, all vertices are included, we can consider any vertex as a node. Our first step is remove all loops and parallel edges from the graph, and then we choose any arbitrary node or any vertex as a node. As we in spanning tree contains all the vertices of the graph. Spanning tree is that tree which spans the graph. ओके, स्पॅनिंग ट्री कोणाला म्हणतात? जो ट्री जो ग्राफला स्पॅन्स करतोय. दॅट मीन्स व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ स्पॅनिंग ट्री अँड व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ द ग्राफ आर सेम. Okay, that tree is called as spanning tree. So in spanning tree contains all the vertices of the graph, therefore we can choose any vertex as a node. Okay, this is step 2. Now step 3 is check outgoing edges from node and select one with lowest cost. Okay, we have to check all the outgoing edges from that node and we have to select one edge with lowest cost, that means lowest weight. Okay, so there are 3 steps of Prim's algorithm. First one, remove all the parallel edges and loops from that graph. Second one, choose any arbitrary node or any arbitrary vertex as a node. And third one, check outgoing edges from all the from that node and we have to select one edge with lowest cost. Okay, so using this Prim algorithm, we find a spanning tree of the following graph. Consider here one example. We have to find a spanning tree of the graph. This is graph having vertices A, B, C, D, S and T. Here S is present. Okay, S, this vertex is S. A, B, C, D, S and T. Okay, so our first step of algorithm to remove all the edges from all the parallel edges and loops from the graph. So here we remove this parallel edge AB and this self loop C to C and this parallel edge AB. So our first step is remove parallel edge and loops from that graph. Okay, so by removing parallel edge and loop, we get this graph. Now our second step, choose any vertex as a node. Here we choose the vertex S is a node. Okay, then we have to choose outgoing edges from that node. Okay, so here outgoing edges from S are SA and SC. SA and SC, from which lowest weight edge is SA. Lowest weight edge is SA. So here we choose the edge SA. म्हणून आपण SA एज चूज केली. तुम्ही पुन्हा हा ग्राफ किंवा हा व्हिडिओ बघताना हा ग्राफ काढून ठेवा. प्रत्येक वेळी हा तुम्हाला ग्राफ दिसणार नाही आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला चेक करायचं आहे की त्या एजेसमधली मिनिमम एज कोणती आहे. सो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करून ठेवा म्हणजे तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ लवकर समजेल. सो ओके, सो हिअर वी चूज द एज SA which is minimum weight. So for spanning tree we take one edge which is SA. Okay, now we check the outgoing edges. Now S and A both are nodes. आता पहिल्यांदा S हा एकच नोड आपण घेतला होता, त्यातून बाहेर पडणारी मिनिमम वेटची एज SA आहे. ओके, दॅट एज विल बी सिलेक्टेड. नाऊ S and A both are nodes अँड वी चेक द आउटगोईंग एजेस फ्रॉम एस अँड ए. आपण एस आणि ए या दोघांच्याकडून सुद्धा बाहेर पडणाऱ्या आउटगोईंग एजेस चेक करणार आहोत. सो फ्रॉम एस outgoing edge is SE, SA is we consider here, and from A there are two edges from AB, AC, and that is AS. Okay, you आपण already consider केलेली आहे. Okay, so now outgoing edges from the nodes S and A are here AC, AB and SC. Okay, and from which minimum weighted edge is AC, from which minimum weighted edge is AC, so we choose AC. Okay, outgoing edges from S and A are that edges and minimum weight edge is AC, so here we choose AC. Now S, A and C, there are three nodes. Okay, so we check outgoing edges from S, A and C. We choose outgoing edges from all these three nodes. आउटगोईंग एजेस फ्रॉम दिस AC आर, तुम्ही डायग्राममध्ये बघा, AB, CS, CB, CD and CA. That are outgoing edges from these three nodes S, A and C. We don't consider the edge CS as it forms a cycle. त्या ज्या काही एजेस आहेत यांच्यापैकी आपण CS, ओके, SAC पासून घेणार आहोत आपण. वी डोंट कन्सिडर द एज CS आपण कन्सिडर करणार नाही, सिन्स CS मेक द सायकल इन दिस ग्राफ. वी हॅव टू form a spanning tree. We have to form a tree, and tree does not contains any cycle. Therefore, the SC edge, we don't consider this edge SC because this edge forms a cycle in a graph. Okay, now from these remaining edges AB, CB, CD and CA, the minimum weighted edge is CD. The minimum weight edge is CD. So we choose the edge CD. Now we add the edge CD in this graph here, CD. Okay, so our tree will be this AS, AC and CD. Okay, now our nodes are S, A, C and D. There are four nodes. Okay, we check all the outgoing edges from that nodes A, C, D. Now AB, CB, DB and DT. ग्राफ मध्ये चेक करा तुम्ही. AB, CB, DB and DT are outgoing edges from ACD. आता SCची घेतली नाही आपण कारण एकच एज आहे आणि ती एज सायकल बनवते, त्यामुळे फक्त ACD हे तीनच नोड आपण कन्सिडर केले. आउटगोईंग एजेस फ्रॉम A, C and D are AB, CB, DB and DT. Out of this minimum weighted edges are DB and DT. ओके, त्यापैकी ह्या ज्या काही चार एजेस आहेत त्यांच्यापैकी DB आणि DT यांची वेट सेम आहेत, ज्या मिनिमम वेट आहेत आणि त्या दोघांची वेट सेम आहेत. सो वी ॲडेड दॅट बोथ द एजेस. तर आपण त्या दोन्ही एजेस ॲड करणार आहोत हियर, DB अँड DT. ओके, सो A, B, C, D, S and T. This tree spans all the vertices of the graph. त्या ट्रीने त्या ग्राफचे सगळे व्हर्टायसेस स्पॅन केले की आपण इथे स्टॉप होणार आहे. ओके, आपल्याला फक्त स्पॅनिंग ट्री फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. स्पॅनिंग ट्री मीन्स द ट्री विच कंटेन्स ऑल द व्हर्टायसेस ऑफ द ग्राफ और द ट्री विच स्पॅन्स द ग्राफ. सो हियर द ग्राफ, हियर this tree contains all the vertices of the graph. So this tree is called as spanning tree of that graph. So here we stop our finding our shortest path since we get spanning tree. Okay, so number of vertices in a tree is equal to 6 and number of vertices in a graph is equal to 6. So therefore the shortest spanning tree, this is shortest spanning tree with minimum weight of graph. मिनिमम वेट काय आहे बघा त्याचं, इज त्या सगळ्या एजेसची वेट करायची. 7 + 3 + 3 + 2 + 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 17. Okay, so in this way we find the shortest path from the graph using Prim's algorithm. Okay, this is very simple algorithm. Go through this video, solve the example and solve the practical for this algorithm. Okay.